Another tool is AI headshot. It's exactly its name, headshot generator. It's create you upload your image and it create a AI portrait for you. Not also headshot, but also a large scene it can be changed. For example, I import one of my images. For example, this, and you can type any prompt that you want, or you can choose which one, realistic or natural, cinematic, commercial if you want, or realistic. You can choose a scene. Which scene do you want to, for example, scene something like that, anything scene that you want. Here you can choose a lots of scene. Yeah, for example, I want to be in this suit. You have to choose one of them. Composition, which part of your body do you want to? This part or this part. And that's also fast mode and 3. You can type a thing that you want. For example, ride the horse. Let's test that and generate. It turn your portrait to AI portrait that you set in a prompt and the styles. Let's see what happened to me. Interesting. You can see it's me in different position. And okay, for example, this girl, a style, scene, composition none, and prompt. Let's see a girl flying on clouds. Let's prompt that and generate. It just focus on a headshot generator, a portrait. Nice. It's not fly. So you can use the prompt without any scene if you want. Nice. Again, me with this image without any prompt, without any style, and without anything. Let's open the hands of the AI for doing its job. Let's see what happened then. Nice. You can see me in different position. Nice. Interesting. You can see. Okay. Let's publish this. And which one? For example, this. What was it? Publish. Thank you. And done. For example, this slider. You see it converts my portrait to AI portrait. And you can add prompt and anything that you want. Again, the fast mode, you can achieve a result very fast, but you have to go to the standard or professional user subscription. Okay. For using PromeAI, go to the description and click on this link. Then simple create an account. You can log in or sign up. You can continue with your Google account, or you can give an email and create a password if you want. And here is PromeAI website. For using the PromeAI AI tools, you have to spend coins. If you need more coins to using more of tools, you have to buy one of these plans. And you can redeem a code. I give that code in description. You can use it to get some coins. Please don't forget to visit our TutorialCells apps channel. In this channel, we are introducing Android application and learn how to use them.